All right, now the mysterious coronavirus is spread to 4 continents. It has affected well over 17,000 people. China has been taking steps to try and control the epidemic. It's even got appreciation from the World Health Organization for its efforts in containing the virus. But the question is, did China actually hide information on the virus when it was first reported? And if it had not done so, could the outbreak of this virus have been controlled more efficiently? Now, could China have acted faster, and why was information about this virus in the initial days kept away from the world? Now, a report by the New York Times claims that there are some difficult questions which the Chinese government will have to answer over the detection of the virus and what was the Chinese response in the very initial days. Now, according to the report, a Chinese doctor by name Li Wenliang had actually warned about the mysterious illness which had struck 7 patients at a hospital on the 30th of December in 2019. The virus at that time had not been identified, but Wenliang understood the dangers that it possessed. 都在连夜奋战，都没有休息。So the time that the 7 patients had in fact come forth with the symptoms of this new mysterious virus, this doctor in question had tried to warn his medical school classmates in an online chat group. Wenliang in the chat group wrote, and I quote him here, "So frightening." And then one of the recipients of the message replied about this epidemic, asking whether it was comparable to what happened in 2002 when the SARS broke out. So he asked, is the SARS coming again? Now the illness is not SARS but something similar to it. It's now called the coronavirus. Now, the way the Chinese government reacted to this bit of information from this doctor on the 30th of December is astonishing. As per the report, the government tried to silence the doctor and bury the entire matter. The officials from the health authority of Wuhan summoned Dr. Wenliang and then demanded to know as to why he had shared that information and tried to go public. The Wenliang was later ordered to sign a statement that read that his conduct was not appreciated by the government. It was said to be illegal behavior. The report also goes on to say that the government's initial handling of the epidemic had allowed the virus to gain a tenacious hold. It could have been restricted to just 7 patients if they had been quarantined immediately, but that was not the government response. Now, the report goes on to blame the officials for choosing secrecy over confronting the growing crisis. The report also alleges that this had been done to avoid a political embarrassment. Now, if the report does hold true, then it seems quite likely that the WHO was rather early in appreciating the Chinese government for its efforts in containing the virus. The coronavirus is now on a relentless march outward from Wuhan throughout the country and across the globe, killing at least about 304 people in China and having infected more than 17,000 worldwide. In fact, a Hong Kong University study estimates that at least 75,000 people could in fact be infected in just Wuhan alone. Now, China is now doing everything that it possibly can to try and control the outbreak. It has built a 1,000-bed hospital in record time. Another special hospital is presently under construction and is expected to be completed by the 5th of this month, that is day after tomorrow. And this, of course, is a chance to try and ensure that the disease does not spread. And what is shocking, according to this report, is the Chinese government seems to have prioritized ensuring that it was not embarrassed because of this outbreak of a new disease rather than taking steps to contain it.